or welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, you already know my name is Dejana. Everyone calls me DJ. If you're new here, welcome to my cooking channel. So yeah, today I'm going to do another cooking in my lingerie, as you can see, video. And I gotta be very careful with this specific piece because my tatas love to make an appearance every time I wear this. Hence why I don't really wear it that often, or do I?
Boy, if you don't get.
So yeah, today I'm gonna be cooking. I had to write it down. I am gonna be cooking honey garlic salmon, skillet potatoes with bell peppers and onions, and I'll also be cooking roasted asparagus with mozzarella. I figured I'd change the sides up because all I've been making lately is Brussels sprouts and baked potato. I thought I'd mix it up a little. Yeah, so that's what we'll be doing today. I also got myself some wine, as you can see. I actually haven't been drinking. It's been like 2 weeks since I drank. I decided today was the day. Pray to Mother Teresa that I don't get too fucked up or finish a whole bottle of wine. I'm going to try to compose myself and only have 3 glasses while I cook today. I've been trying to cut down on my drinking because I know we're going to go into quarantine again, or we're into quarantine again, and I don't want to go crazy like last time. But yeah, anyway, but I got, if anyone cared or was wondering, it's called Chariot Gypsy. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if we can focus on that. Chariot Gypsy, and it's from Trader Joe's. It has this little lady on it. And it was literally a $4 shop, and it's actually really good. I just had a sip, and it's not bad.